Good morning, second graders. I wanted to talk a little bit about how we go about finding the lesson or the big idea in a story. The first thing I want to remind you about is it's really important to pay attention to what the main character in the story is doing. I'm going to go over some lessons we found in books this year. The first book that I want to talk about is Amazing Grace. In this book, Amazing Grace, Grace wanted to be the star of the Peter Pan play in her school. But a boy in her class said girls couldn't be the star because the star was a boy. But Grace practiced and practiced, so she did get to be Peter Pan. The lesson in the book was if you try hard, you can do anything you want to do. And you can see on this slide the sentences that kind of accompany those thoughts that I had. The next book I want to talk about is Shelley. Shelley Sisters in this book wanted him to be just like them. He didn't want to paint, dance, or skate like his sisters. Shelley decided that he liked to put together puzzles and use his imagination. The lesson in this book is that you don't have to like the same things as others. It's okay to be different. The last book I want to talk about is Ruthie and the Not So Teeny Tiny Lie. In this book, Ruthie fibbed when she found a camera on the playground and told her teacher and her friend it was hers. It really was her friend's camera. So the fib made the friend very sad. Ruthie learned that telling the truth is very important and that lying can hurt other people. So, as you read our passage today, I want you to really pay attention to what the main character in the passage is doing. And that will help you at the end determine what the main idea of the passage is.